guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be something slightly different and probably a little bit shorter than my usual videos. If you can hear a little baby making noises, he is just down here in his cot, so please excuse that, but he will be part of the video today. So what I wanted to do was do a kind of review slash how you wear the ERGOBABY AURA wrap. Now, with my firstborn, I never wore a wrap, but I was kind of gifted this by my auntie, my uncle, my cousins, and it's a game changer. Like, it's completely changed my life when it comes to having a baby, especially being a mum of two, with one being a toddler also, and needing to have your hands free. Being able to put a baby in a wrap and wear your baby just allows you to focus on the other child a little bit more, but also doing housework whilst keeping your newborn close to you. Now, my family then that bought this for me, they kindly asked, they said, have a research, see which one you want, and this seems like the best one for me personally. So this is the box then. I've already got the wrap out because I've obviously been wearing it, but I thought I would show you the packaging then. So first of all, it is breathable, light and durable. It's a really soft fabric and it's really soft, so not only your skin but also the baby's skin as well. And it also means with it being breathable, when it's really, really hot, which currently in the UK we're going through a little bit of a heat wave, it just means that baby isn't going to get overheated and you're not going to start sweating either. Comfortably supports your baby up to 25 pounds, so obviously it's perfect from newborn stage all the way up until, well, 25 pounds. To give you a bit of context, Finley is 2 months old and at only 11 pounds, so I feel like you could wear this wrap up until pretty much they're 2 stone, or just about that anyway. So that's a big benefit, that it's going to last a really long time throughout your baby's sort of first few years or so. It's really easy to tie and easy to use. It does come with instructions inside, but I did find them a little bit difficult to understand and read. I ended up watching a video online of someone using a wrap on YouTube, and I thought I would share with my followers as well. I know there's a lot of pregnant people on my channel or viewers on my channel, so this might come benefit to you a little bit handy as well. And it says it's got an integrated pocket for storage, which is great. So it came first of all like packaged in a little bag. I'll see if I can show you and try and stuff it back in, but then it just comes out really, really easily, which is great. So this is the ERGOBABY wrap then. It's perfect, it's changed my life, and I'm going to show you how you put it on very, very quickly and easily, and there'll be a beautiful Finley who is cooing over there trying to get my attention. He'll be part of this video as well, so you can see how it looks and how it sort of, not feels, you can't feel it, but how it looks when there is a baby inside the wrap. Okay, so you can't really see my face, I'm kind of like cut off here, but you don't really need to see my face, you kind of need to see my body. So this is the wrap then. As you can see, it is very, 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 very long, which is a good thing because it's going to be able to securely keep your baby close to your chest. Now, what you want to be able to do, it comes with a really handy center piece, so you know where the middle is. So this is the company logo, and they just put it on a little label, and that is the center of the wrap. Now also, if you can see, there is a, if it's going to focus, there is a cream / brown coloured stitching. This is going to come in handy a little bit later, so when you're doing the wrap as well, it's really handy to have that as a bit of a guide also. Now, to put the wrap on then, you are going to start by taking that little middle bit label there, and you're going to scrunch it up about halfway, so about half there. Now, you're going to put this onto your tummy, halfway, and you are going to bunch it up here and wrap it around like this, okay? So you should have 2 longer bits and it's wrapped around your tummy. Now, with these longer pieces then, you're going to take one first of all and wrap it over your shoulder, and you're going to take the other from behind and again wrap it over your shoulder. So now you've got the piece here, and then also black probably wasn't the best colour to wear for this video, but you can kind of see it there. So you've got a crossover up the back, and it's going to come over your shoulders like this. Now, that cream coloured stitching is what's going to come in handy here. So you want to find that stitching, which is just here, because you want to have that on the outside bit, well, not outside, sorry, the inner bit closest to your chest here rather than here. So you're going to make sure that this is lined up with the cream coloured stitching closest to your chest, like that. Now from here you're going to take both long pieces, bunch it up like this for easiness, and you're going to take this bit here and you're going to push it forward ever so slightly, not too loose because you don't want to make it loose, and you're just going to push those long bits through there. Okay, so you should have your 2 longer bits going through this middle bit here. Now from here then, you're going to take your 2 longer bits, you are going to cross them over, wrap it around the back, cross again, and bring back over. I'll show you that bit again from behind, okay? Take your 2 front bits, cross, and then from the back, you're going to take them, cross them round, and securely tie it in a little knot on the side of your hip, okay? Now that is, first of all, how you put the wrap on. I'm now also going to show you then how you put baby in the wrap and how they look secure in there. Before I do that though, I do like to make things a little bit easier for me with putting the baby in. So this middle bit here, not the bit that's got the knot, this just middle bit here, I like to take it and fold it over that knot like that, okay, because it will come in handy in just a minute. I'll explain why in just a second. So I'm going to go grab Finley, I'm going to pop him in and explain to you how we go from there. Okay, so this is my little baby then, Finley. He is 2 months old and he loves being in the wrap, so I'm going to show you. He's probably going to whinge now, but when we're out and about he loves it. So I'm going to show you then how we pop him in. Okay, so you want to start off then with your baby facing you, okay? Now, with the 2 bits of fabric then that are going crossed over your shoulders into your front, there is one piece then that is the inner piece. So there's a fabric that's going over, if that makes sense. I'll show you quickly. So this is what I mean here. This is the inner piece, and this is obviously the piece of fabric that goes over the inner piece. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your baby's leg and you're going to pop it in the inner piece to begin with, like this. Okay, now you're going to take the other leg and you're going to pop it in the other piece of fabric like this. So the baby has got a little bit of a cross of fabric over his bum there. Now what you're going to want to do is just make sure his arms are comfortable. So I'm just going to lay his arms up like this, one side, and here the other side. Where are you going? You're pointing your tongue out. Okay, so from here then you're going to go take the first piece of fabric that we did originally first, and you are going to wrap, pull it over, pull it right over his bum and over his body like this, and then again you're going to take the other side, wrap it over his bum and over his body like so. There we go. So that's the first step there then with those bits. Now we then also have this bit of fabric that, remember me telling you earlier, we put it over that knot for easiness. So what we're going to do is the bit of fabric then that we folded over, not the bit of fabric with the knot on, we're going to lift that back over the knot, and we're going to put baby's 1 foot and baby's 2nd foot through the fabric, and we are then going to just, there we go, and we're just going to pull that bit of fabric right up. As you can see again, we've got that trusty mid-label there, which means we have done it right, and there should be enough fabric there that you could perhaps put it over baby's head to support him, block out sun, whatever, but if not, enough there just to fold over like that. Are you being talkative? And as you can see, he seems to quite like it. So this is the wrap then. As I said, it's really simple, really easy to use, and it's so convenient as well because my hands are free. I can go around the house, I can do housework, I can do the food shopping and walk with my 4-year-old. It's just changed my life when it comes to having 2 children. What I'll do is I'll leave a link down below to the website of where this is from. There are so many colours you can choose from as well. I just went for black because I just thought it would be a nice colour to have, but that is the wrap. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a viewer, but I'm going to go and take this little guy out of here now and give him a feed because I know that's what he's after. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye.